Firstly, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Nisha Chopani and I've secured the first position in Commerce Stream. I'm from St. Anthony's High Secondary School. And to express myself, I don't think I can put it into words. I'm so happy, and earlier I was very nervous, but then I'm very happy that I could make my parents, my teachers and everyone proud. I feel this journey was full of ups and downs, but finally it ended on a very sweet note. So very grateful for it, and I feel God has always been been with me throughout this. He has seen me crying before exams. He has seen me when I was preparing. He was seeing me do everything with my best self, and I think he was there throughout. I'm so grateful to each and everyone, even my seniors, my friends, my juniors. Everyone was very supportive. Actually, to be honest, the exams went really good, and I didn't have any special thing for giving the exams. I was just going normally giving it. I was apart at the end, when you have studied everything, the only thing which matters is the presentation, because when you have studied everything, there's not much you can actually do towards the end. This is the presentation. So for the presentation, I tried my best to keep it neat, to keep it properly, to line, to put some the formulas in a box, and these were some things I did at the end to make my presentation complete. Actually, I'll say that we always hope for the best, right? My exams went well. I was expecting that I might come in top 10, but not the first one. But I'm very happy. I'm very grateful to God that He got me. I was able to do it because of Him. So I will say my preparation began from day one. It began from class 11, not only from 12. From class 11, basically class 11 is like a base for class 12, right? Whatever you study in 11 is applied in class 12. So the most important thing which I followed is to study daily. I tried to study, but when I needed a break, when I was tired of everything, I gave myself a break. I didn't study, I went out with my friends. But I also focused on my concept. I don't think so I ever memorized anything. All I focused was the concept, especially maths, eco and accounts. The most important thing, you focus on your concept, and then later you can go and learn something which needs to be done. And one more thing was, I'm a very curious person actually. I always have doubts, and my teachers were such that they never failed to clear my doubts. If I would ask one thing to them, like 100 times, they would clear it 100 times, and they would teach me in a way that my concept was clear, and they also ensured that they will check my presentation. So I feel with all this, my preparation was complete, and it wouldn't be without my teachers. My tuition teacher as well, Sir Hari, he helped me with accounts, and I feel I couldn't do this without all of them. I'm very grateful to them. To be very honest, there is no subject I find tough. If there is something tough, then I give it more time, and I consult with my teachers that what should I do. I'm facing problem in this. And to all the juniors, or to all anyone who is preparing, even if you're in class 7, in 8, any class you might be in, if you're thinking a subject is tough, first you self-study. Self-study is very important. You sit in solace, you sit alone, you study, and you see where actually is your problem. Maybe it is one paragraph, maybe it's one chapter, maybe it's one single line. And then you go and clear it with your teacher. So that's what I did. There's nothing which is impossible or very difficult. Yeah, in the beginning everything seems difficult, everything seems confusing, but at the end, when you seek help, when you give time, you try to study on your own, and when you take help from the teachers, everything will be clear. So there was not really something which is difficult. Well, to be honest, I don't have a particular answer for this, because there isn't. I feel we are all humans, and there is things which varies in us, right? Today we might feel to study, tomorrow we might not, but I always make sure that I'll study something. If I don't feel like studying anything new, I'll revise something which is old. Or if some days I'm feeling very bad, I'll just sleep. I will not do anything. I'll do maybe use social media or something, but try to study daily and try to focus on concepts.